Okay, Jaden, I wanted to make you a video explaining what you need to do. I want to focus on 2 die right now. 5 die is more complicated, but you can't do 5 die unless your 2 die is working right. So in your die class, this is what you have. This is fine. You have, so you're obviously using a constructor where you're calling generate random, and this all works fine. So your 2 dies is so overcomplicated. I'm not even sure if these got mixed up. Yeah, I don't know. Okay, so I'm going to go to 2 die, and I commented, I did a bunch of stuff in here. Okay, all the stuff at the top is not needed. Everything you need is in the die class to you wrote a method called generate random. This is like rolling the dice, so I'm fine with that. You need to take this out. This doesn't belong here. So you basically are just writing a tester program. Now, there are definitely some things in here that I see that I don't like. First of all, you're making dies. You're not making 2 die. You're making die objects. So you have to say the name of the class, die, give it a variable name. Variable name should be lowercase, is a new die because in the die class, you have a default, you have this is your constructor. So you're trying to match what that looks like. So you made a computer die and you made a player die, which you know, is fine, I guess, but really, you like I said, you really overcomplicated this. So I have you showing the computer rolling 1 die and the player rolling 1 die. So you just have to have the computer rolling another die and the player rolling another die. So you'll need to uncomment 2 and 2 here. Make sure those are lowercase and then call this again. So then you can start, this one said all you wanted to do is to see what the player rolled. And that's it. Now I went in here, I left this in here just so you could test it out, but you really didn't need to make the determination if they matched or not. That's what you do in 5 die, but you really just need to get this one working first. So you need to add a second throw. Honestly, what I would do is I would come back here. Once you get your second throw, I would make a statement for die one and or throw one and for throw two. That's what I would do. So what you could do is just can uncomment this one. So now you got your computer throw two. Making this lowercase because that's the Java norm. That's what you're supposed to do. And I'll make a player throwing a second time as well. That because it's each rolling 2 die the way I understand it. Okay, so I'm going to compile that. And then what you can do is just copy this. And you can roll the die again. Now you've stored those results in these variables. You're going to do the same thing here. Going to copy and assign it to the other variable. So you have the computer rolling 2 die, the player rolling 2 die. Then you need some print statements. And I'm going to change this one to say computer throw, oh, this should say throw two. So you have the 2 throws from the computer, the 2 throws from the player. And this should say comp throw 2. And I want to see what comp throw 2 looks like. So if I run this, so I'm seeing comp throw 1 and 2. Do the same thing for the player one now. So this is going to be player throw 1. This should be player. And then player. And player. So this is really all we need to see here is just the throws. We really didn't even need any of this for this assignment. That's what you do in the next assignment. So what I'm going to encourage you to do is use these two and then start the 5-die one based on what we did in here, and then add. You're going to need to figure out if they matched or not die by die, but I took that out for now. Okay, hope that helps. Thanks. Bye.